Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Grammarly to correct my Word document after I finish transcribing. So in your Google, you type in Grammarly for Words. It's going to take you to this page, Grammarly for Microsoft Word and Outlook. Click on it and it's going to take you to this page and it automatically downloads it to the desktop button. So what you do is open it and follow the instruction. I have already downloaded it on my desktop, and so I will show you how I use Microsoft Word use it in Microsoft Words. And you can even download it for Chrome. Grammarly for Chrome improves grammar, clarity, and more as you write on your favorite site. Add to Chrome, it's free. As you see, I've already done have it installed on my browser. So when I'm on my Gmail, YouTube, Instagram, and I'm writing, it gives me the suggested word I must use if I do a wrong, spell a word wrong. Like for instance, this there, our team has less project this quarter. So you say our team has fewer projects. So you give a suggested word while you're going through. And I'm going on my Word document now. And as you see, I have Grammarly here on Word doc. So all you do is click it and open it. While it's opening, it's going to take some time for it to open. And you see if it's opening, it's initiating. Okay. So as you see, it is giving suggestion. Like for instance, it said this signage. It said this signage. But when I was doing the transcription, it said these. Some of the word I do not correct, like when the by or the transcription, I am like this signage sucks. So I'm not going to change it to this. So some of them I do not use a suggestion. Whereas when you're doing transcription job, when you're doing maybe writing blogs for person, you can use that to put in there. They're going to put it on their blogs. When persons, the buyers like to hear the words that were spoken. So I would not change it to this. I would leave it with these. Backwards, change the spelling. The buyers say I knew how it was done backwards and forwards. So I do not use I leave what is said in most cases. Transcribing is giving the buyer what was spoken on the audio or the video file. You don't want to change what was said. There's and this is back before computers really were relevant. Grammarly is giving me the suggestion to take out really, but the buyer will be maybe tell me that when he read it through, he's not getting what he said. So I'm leaving that. I'm not going to follow all the suggestions that they give. Save as, add a space. When you're doing transcription job, first I have to believe what is said. Like I can use for the punctuation marks. Favor, change the spelling. Well, I will change the spelling. Change the spelling. Because I know favorite it could be the American or the English version, USA or England. But usually I spell it like when they give me the spelling suggestion, I always change it. Personal, remove redundancy. So I have put on some of the stuff in my personal bank. But what Grammarly is telling me, I must take out personal. So I have put on some of the stuff in my bank. Well, personal, when you're doing a transcribing job, you have to leave some of the words. They can't change what was spoken. Alright, this one, leave a space. So it's just going through the document and changing some of what I put in a punctuation mark, add a space, like this one say add a comma. I will do it. Change preposition. You know, as store managers will highly bonus to savers. But I would not take it out. Because when you're doing transcribing work, it's different from when you're writing a book. When you're writing a book or writing a blog for persons, you can always change the words and change what was said. But when you're editing a transcription job that you got, editing the transcript, you have to be very careful. Remove a space. Transcribing is giving the buyer their actual word that was said. So you just go through the document and change the thing, because even this art, the art, I love Fern that on art. I'm not changing it that because when I did it, it was saying that one. Remove the comma. It's mostly removing the comma, removing a space, and putting a question mark, full stop or so, but I add a space. So it's really going through the document. Going through it and just changing some of the grammatical errors, but not changing the word that was said. Change punctuation. Maybe when we're typing and giving two, like you put it two times, so you leave one. So it kind of clean up the transcript for you. Full stop. I have a two full stop there, so I know it should be one. But sometimes when you're doing transcription work, you're listening and editing fast. And alright, centers, excellence, excel centers. So I change these. When they give me the spelling, I will change them. So the light bulb was on them because. So it will be them. I changed that because it wouldn't be them. Alright, correct your spelling. Paychecks. So I will do that. Paychecks. Put them together. This one is saying remove redundancy. I don't usually do that. Remove it. We went through how many CFOs? 6 or 7 in a 5-year period. It's telling me I must put in 5 year. No, I leave what was said. So when you're doing transcription, it's not everything you can take out. We mostly do like this one, change the capital fountain from fountain L. I will change it. I can do capital, comma, hyphen, question mark, remove a space. So that was how you go through and edit the document. When you reach the end, until you reach the end. So I hope you use Grammarly to improve your grammars in when you're doing a proof and to proofread your transcript. So please like and share and subscribe to my channel.